Corporate sales isn't about chasing everyone and everything. It's about connecting, understanding, building credibility, and then having the focus and the discipline to build on that and close the opportunity. And when you do it right and get many opportunities coming your way, and that's a good problem by the way, then it's about knowing which opportunities to pursue. Hi, I'm Tao Yuan or TY. With over 30 years of real-world customer service and sales experience across financial services, IT and infocom, handling a wide range of customers in the manufacturing, banking, software, hospitality, education and public sector. And this is the B2B corporate sales course. You connect with your portfolio of customer accounts. You build your knowledge and understanding about them. You connect with them and you identify, qualify and win high-value opportunities. You do it with your own skills, but empowered and supported by a structure and a framework that works. You will learn how to connect with your customers, understand their strategy, their challenges, opportunities, and their needs. You will learn frameworks that will help you gain understanding and confidence in speaking about their industry and about their competitors so that you have informed conversations with them. You will identify market opportunities and propose ways to capitalize on them. You will generate and qualify leads using disciplined frameworks, scope out opportunities, build stronger pipelines, and strategic account plans to grow them even further. Whether you're already in B2B sales, or you're in business development, account management, or perhaps you're leading a team, or even if you are brand new to B2B sales and you want to explore how to break into this space, this course will help you move beyond reactive, tactical sales. You will build confidence, credibility with your customers. You will develop longer-term, trust-based client relationships, and ultimately, you will win more. Join me at Equinet Academy today and build and strengthen your B2B corporate sales potential and capabilities.